And good morning, y'all. Here we are out in the field in good old Bamber. It's locked. I'm loaded. Oh, Chatsworth. There's Marty. And we're doing next to the railroad tracks, which were back here. And we think there was a house on this site. So far, we've gotten a dime. Chuck got a dime. So, alright, we'll get back to you when we get something good. Let's go explore. We're not getting much, so we might as well watch Chuck in action. Loaded.
We're doing the roundup.
So at least I can clean this out.
So what'd you get so far?
Never been used.
Oh,
The ring.
He found his wedding ring again.
I got a piece of aluminum crap.
Not surprised.
Flock of pennies.
Flock of pennies.
They're all just 2 dimes. I think these are all pennies. Oh, there's a dime. Dime. Pennies.
Is there anything good?
That one I thought was.
Yeah, I had one of them too.
It was an 8. This
Mine was a
86.
2010.
And then I got the big change, the rare 74 quarter.
All right, I got
Rare.
my stash. There's my quarter.
This one's
It's a piece of crap. I got this. It's Hold, 1881 large cent.
Oh no, this is the Chinese coin from the 1800s. They all had holes in
1600s.
China wasn't around in
Yeah,
1600.
it's a large cent on one side and a Chinese.
No, China
one on the
wasn't
other.
invented till 1842.
Yeah, and that's it. So far.
Let's see how many comments we get with China was made in.
There's the idiot. There's Marty. Here's me. Alright. Ooh, cool. Cool. Yeah, I can't wait to see if that cleans up nice. Pretty cool. So my 4th one this year. Nice.
That's it right there.
This pile of crap.
Yep, I got a quarter, a
Crap.
dime, 2 pennies.
His favorite, nice old Pepsi.
Pepsi is the best. Then I got
I got 1 dime, golf ball.
some heavy stuff.
You guys already saw the pocket watch.
That he planted.
Brought to you by Garrett Metal Detectors.
It's
Not by Mine Lab.
planted.
What did Mine Lab find?
Mine Lab found a quarter, a dime, 2 pennies, and a bunch of pennies
And
from
the
the
biggest
last
nail of the day.
Oh,
Obviously,
yes.
it doesn't discriminate.
This is from the
What?
Santa Maria from
Oh.
1492 when Ocean blew. This held the mainmast on the boat like a staple. Whoa!
That was a great story. I felt like I was there.
Cannonball shrapnel.
That piece of crap.
It's from an 88
Cans.
shell from the Germans.
Looks like he's gonna have to do the walk of shame. We're gonna go scope another
I
spot.
don't know. Marty's got some stuff.
Marty's
over
got
here.
some stuff sneaking in on us.
Marty got some pennies. He did get a
Nice,
Wheaties.
nice
so.
fine.
One Wheatie,
One Wheatie, the only Wheatie of the day, oldest coin.
bunch of pennies, 2
the
dimes,
oldest
3
coin.
quarters, and something that I thought was a coin. And
He also
really
gets the
got it.
nicest set of beaver tails.
No, that's called Pop Top Love right there.
So,
It is.
with what I found and what you found, doesn't it look like the Mine Lab does the walk of shame?
It's going to. He better hope that school pays off or he plants something.
I'm gonna start planting. I brought some silver with me.
Yeah, we're gonna start testing for plants.
Are you
But we
done?
did get two
All
yellow
the trash
golf
in
balls. One was hit by a lawnmower. And that's it. The best of it, right there.
Put all the trash in here and get rid of it at the school.
Notice how he collects up the trash. Like an old lady. Oh, those nipple things were,
Motorcycle gang.
yep. I'm sure they're going to be slow when they go right up the road.
Alright, that's good to go.
Coins up there.
she is. Quarter. All right.
Ready?
No.
Well,
All right, wait, hold on, not yet.
I'm going.
What? No, wait,
I
hold
don't know
on.
if it's good or not, but there's a good signal anyway.
I'm sure it is.
Sure, it's not a good, Are you kidding me?
What is it?
I don't know. It's a little round thing. It came up good silver. That can't be it. That came up like 1248, which is like perfect silver hit.
1248, huh?
I can erase that blooper.
I wouldn't even dig it. It's coming up nothing but.
Yeah, look, 1348. It came up like,
It's bouncing all over the place.
well, in the ground, it was coming up really good.
What's come out up over here?
Where is it now?
Over there somewhere in the ground.
Yeah, see, now it comes up as a piece of crap, I think. But that's not what it was coming up as in that hole.
All right, stay tuned for more exciting digs.
Oh, back on it. Mine lab. Pretty good piece of silver on my machine, 1144.
All right, Marty.
But I don't see 925.
Ah, sorry.
I don't see 925 on it, but
Looks like something like a freaking cat would have.
What?
Looks like a cat charm.
it's a nice little bright necklace for some little girl.
No, it's not. That's for a kitty cat.
Mine lab.
It says. It says on the back. It says Fluffy.
Well,
It says rest in peace, Fluffy on it.
whatever it is.
Got some sort of writing on the front. I think that's Old English for crap.
Obviously from the early
Something.
1800s. That's 1882.
I don't think so. All right.
Yes, I just pulled out of the walking chain mode in the last 10 minutes.
That's the biggest piece of crap I've seen. Yeah, I'm gonna go with not silver. Ugh. And crap. No markings on it. Piece of crap.
This is kind of cool. Let's see if I can get on the move. That ain't a stick. It's an insect. It's a walking stick. Kind of a cool guy. Alright, we'll let him be.
Mr. Marty. And we're gonna see what the idiot's digging. I'm sure it's some sort of priceless artifact. Maybe another dog charm. What was it?
Loose penny.
What?
Clad penny.
Alright, I'll do the pee-pee dance on it so you can cover it up. Pee-pee dance. Pee-pee dance.
Mine lab.
Pee-pee dance.
This is how I fill all my holes.
There'll be no strutting at all.
Strut and ball.
Alright. That concludes our hunt today.
Well, for that idiot.
Best thing so far. Frog. We're used to it. A lot of people are doing it.
All right. Locked and loaded. Wrap up.
Lap up.
Lap up.
Wrap up.
I have a obviously a Civil War dog tag 10415.
From 1888.
Or it's yeah, it's from 1888. Yeah, it comes off the telephone pole. Anyway, we got 2 quarters, 6 dimes, I don't know, 5 pennies, and a little charm.
What?
Little charm. It doesn't say 925 on it, but rang up as silver on the good old Mine Lab E-Track, because that's what the professionals use. Let's go to the Garrett. I don't know what I'm doing. AT Pro guys.
What'd you find again?
Loaded. Marty.
Nothing.
Chuck Loaded decided to put all his finds together from all 3 hunts today, and he's got 4 bottle caps, his pocket watch, flock of change, and Marty's still clinging to the 1 wheat and a nip Budweiser with pull tab. Obviously used by Union troops on their way down to invade the South.
Jr. number.
You know, look at that.
From the old days.
Olden days. All right, well, that's our wrap up today. Marty, did you get anything good here?
No.
Some clad. So, all right, well, I'll definitely hit
Who has to do the walk
again.
of shame again? Is that you?
Nope.
Yeah, he got a weedy. I got the pocket watch.
And
you got the kitty cat charm.
I got the kitty cat charm.
So you got to do the walk of shame.
So I think it's all about even today.
No.
There's nowhere to walk anyway. There's no garbage can here.
Oh, you're going to.
So somehow it ends up in my truck.
So it stays in
Well,
your
we
truck.
can back up to that thing down there and let you walk.
Why am I walking? I did good today.
No, you didn't find crap again.
Yes I did.
What?
Kitty cat
Why
charm.
don't you go over all your fantastic finds for us? While I see what time is my perfectly good pocket watch.
Your perfectly good pocket watch? That's just crap.
You want to hold it on the way home?
No. I forgot to say that I found this colonial coin today.
That's the one from the school.
We started cleaning up, but it didn't come clean yet.
That's like the 8th time you've dug that stuff.
He digs that every
Thursday.
Nothing good. I don't know. These guys are crazy. I think the little charm trumps the weed.
1825 large cent.
This one's in nice shape. Well, we can't see it on the camera because of the sun glare.
Yeah, there it is. 1748 1 real. Best one of the year for me, and for you too.
Can't really see it either because of the glare. I'll have to film them in better light.
For $10, I'll let you borrow it. You can rent it.
All right, guys. Well, I'm done with these jerks for today. Might be a hunt later. We'll see. Adios.